In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get the operator badge in Ability Wars. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, the operator badge is required for you to unlock Engineer and also UFO. So to get the operator badge, it is straightforward. When you are in the lobby, you will be able to browse through all of the badges, the leaderboard, the game modes, and so on. But if you go over here to the back, you will be able to find this cat on a throne, and he is titled Quests. This is Floppa, and if you interact with Floppa, you will be able to see all of the quests that you have to complete. As you can notice, these quests actually reward you with punches. All that you have to do now, after you talk to him by clicking on him or tapping on him if you are on mobile, is complete all of these quests. So to answer the question in the title of this video, for you to get the operator badge, you have to complete every single quest currently available in the game. Keep in mind that there was a glitch in the past where instead of completing all 10, you would be able to get the badge by only completing 9, but it seems like this was fixed. So as of today, here are the quests. Buy an item from the wood shack, punch someone into the void, find the back rooms, kill someone with boomerang, blow someone up with cake, go to the moon, kill a boss, infect 5 people with hive mind in 1 life, have your robot kill 2 people in 1 life, and then get 300 souls with Devour a Souls. Now, unfortunately, I will not be able to show you all of these quests being done here. First, because I am recording this on a private server, and second, because it takes a while, so I recommend that you do your own research and you carefully browse through all of the options that you have to complete these. There will be specific tips, especially for these harder ones, and they grow in difficulty. So once you complete all of these quests, you will immediately unlock the operator badge, allowing you to use Engineer and UFO. I hope I was able to help you on how to get operator badge in Ability Wars. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.